Elif-row without else Python. Is it possible to write an else at the end of an if row which only gets executed if none of all the if statements are true? Example. In this example, the else part gets executed if foobar isn't 5, but I want it to be executed if foobar and foobar aren't 5. But, if all statements are true, all of them have to be executed. How about doing something like this? Making 4 if statements, but the 4th if statement won't be run if one of the other 3 is run because the other statements change the variable key.
I don't think there's any overly elegant way to do this in Python or any other language. You could store the values in a list, but that would obfuscate the actual test ifs, e.g. Or you could set a tracking flag.
Not directly, those 3 if blocks are separate. You could use nesting, but that would get pretty complex. The neatest way to accomplish this is probably
If all the if statements are for checking for the same value, I would use the following format instead. It would make the code shorter and more readable, IMO.
A variation of John Sharp's answer would be using chained equality tests. Like so. Looks a bit funny, I guess it's up to you to decide which one is more readable. And, obviously, this won't work if one of those variables is supposed to be equal to something different. Edit, whoops, this won't work. For example, 1 not equal 1 not equal 3 not equal 5. Returns false, while 1 not equal 2 not equal 3 not equal 5. Return true. Sorry.
Transcription.